Grazie per l'intervento. Yes. Yeah, thank you so much. Yes. Right. The right one. The right one. Thank you.
So thank you very much. So my name is Fan Yang. I'm from China. Our company is Headway Technology, and we were been focusing to provide a low carbon emission solution for the marine industry. And so today I will show you some new technologies that we are trying to promote to this to deal with this low carbon emission requirement that is happening right now in European Union. So first, I will start with a brief introduction of our company. And Headway, we are founded in 2005. We located in Qingdao, China. And our company group is not only for the marine equipment, we're also involved in like energy saving for the city and also a bioproduct for the aquaculture and so on. And here is our company. Now we have over 400 employees, and our main product, as you know, it was famous for the ballast water management system, and our production for this unit could be over 1,000 units per year. So these are the reference that we have right now. Now there are more than 3,400 vessels that we have been placed order for the ballast water management system, and among them, 2,800 has been delivered. And leveraging to the big sales of our system, we have built a well-funded service network. Now we have 38 global stations, and also we have 3 spare parts warehouse in Rotterdam, Netherlands, and New Orleans, US, and also Singapore. So basically, we can cover all these major ports that the vessel will go. And next, I will show you that what we are doing right now for the new fuel supply system. So as you understand, that is starting from recent years, that there are quite a few series of regulations coming out from European Union and IMO. Like CII, it already started this year, and the ship owners, managers has to monitoring how much carbon emission for this year, and they will give you a debrief for next year. And regarding the EU ETS, next year it will be started, and until 2026, they will charge for 100% of the carbon emission, like carbon tax, let's say. And also, there are the few EU starting from 2005, and according to this regulation, based on the emission of 2020, you have to reduce 40.5% of carbon until 2035, and 75% until 2050. This is not only happening in EU. In China, we also have the same requirement. So we are promoting also these electric cars in the country. And we have this policy until 2050. We have to lower the carbon emission about 50%. So as for the shipping industry, IMO has also published some kind of instruction, but it's not mandatory. Short-term reactions, mid-term reactions, and also long-term reactions. And from our side, as a maker that is dedicated for the green technology, we started research and design for the new fuel since 2017 for the LNG supply system, and starting from 2021, we started for the low flash point, which we call this the methanol fuel supply system, and also ammonia is on the way. And for both our systems, we have already got the certificate, also some real orders. I'll show you later. And why methanol? So methanol is a clean, soluble, and biodegradable fuel, and it will reduce almost all the SOx and 80% NOx, also 95% of PM, and approximately 15 or 20% of carbon emission. And also compared to the, let's say, LNG or ammonia, it's much easier for handling and storage on the vessel because it's not a high pressure and low temperature requirement. And also, moreover, it is easy to find, plenty supply, and the price is good, we see. So this one, the picture that's showing is that this the prototype that we've been testing for half years in our new experience center in Yantai. We have run it for half years. And also we got the certificate from DNV and RINA already. And this is the skid for the LFSS. So with this skid, we are able to meet the requirement of the engine maker for the methanol supply, which is 13 bars for the pressure and temperature 25 to 50 degree, and also the purity should be 10 mil. So there are some major points here like supply pump, circulation pump, and heat exchangers with water glycol, and also the duplex filter with one running and another standby for the backup. And indeed, we already got the first commercial order in China for the methanol supply system. This one you are seeing right now is from the Dalian marine diesel engine. We will build this supply system for the MAN LGM dual fuel engine for their testing in their platform. And this will be delivered by end of this year. Besides of the main unit, the LFS kit, we are also able to provide independently for the water glycol unit for heat exchanger, and also the natural generator on the vessel. So as for the gas supply system, besides the methanol, we also provide another alternative, majorly for the LNG carriers. It's the LNG dual fuel vessels for the supply system. And for Headway, we have been developed the full scale of this system. We can provide a high pressure system, a low pressure system, and self-built up pressure system for all kinds of engine. And also we already got 5+5 order with Raineng Ocean Shipping. Okay, that is for the gas supply system that we are trying to provide solution for the new fuel. Besides that, we have some other alternative products that we can provide for the carbon capture and scrubbers. So the EGCS, we call it scrubber. So it's a solution not for the carbon emission, is for the SOx. Basically, now it's for new building, it's necessary for the installation of scrubber to lower the SOx. And from Headway side, we are able to provide any kind of scrubber that is requested for vessel. It's customized, tailor-made for the vessel. U-type, I-type, open loop, closed loop, and hybrid. And here is an example that we have made installation for a ship owner in Hong Kong, OOCL. It was during the COVID time, and we made this installation within 10 days in Taiwan shipyard. And this one is specialized designed with U-type. It will save the space for the containers. Another system that is, which is very hot right now, is the carbon capture system. And this system is majorly for the vessel with age of 10 years, 11 years, 12 years. For Headway, our system is quite different. The philosophy of design is quite different from the traditional with the funnel, with tower treatment. We use containerized design, and the installation will be much easier for installation, only plug in and connection and commissioning. And for our system, we only take part of the exhaust gas from the funnel, which is 25%, and we treat them all with high efficiency. So there's no necessary to pass all this exhaust gas through the tunnel with a low efficiency to treat only part of them. And for our system, we use high rotation gravity with MEA to absorb and dissolve this carbon dioxide quickly. And finally, we put them into the tanks for liquidation and storage with minus 20 degrees and around 2.6 bars. So here is the bench test that we have been doing. And last month, we signed an agreement with Jiangnan Shipyard in China for a 99K gas carrier. And this one will be a joint project with Shipyard for the trial of the system. And at next year, end of next year, this will be tested. Also, this one is that already installed project with Shenzhen Energy. It's a passenger vessel, and we've been testing it for about half a year. Here's some layout of the system. And here clearly you can see that with this pipe connected to the funnel, we only take part of this exhaust gas out, and it goes into the treatment unit in the container. First, to cool it down and make filtration, make it clean. Second, with the dissolving and with the absorption and dissolving, and then go to the tank for storage. And whenever the vessel reaches the shore, we can take the tank out and replace with a new one. So that's all for the presentation, for the for the sharing of the new technology, and thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Any questions for Mr. Fan Yang? No. Thank you so much. Se dalla regia posso... Grazie.
So we communicate. Good afternoon, I'm Carmelita Guerrera. I'm their agent. But during the meeting we had in these days, I had a question for you, I do to you in public. So between all the technologies that we are now under development to